NTI Day 1, Purple, Lesson Overview, 5th grade Mathematics, Mr. Elliott. Learning Target. I can multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. Daily Learning Plan. This packet reviews an important skill from our second unit, multiplication and division of whole numbers. In this lesson, you will practice multi-digit multiplication. In order to be successful in this lesson, you will need to follow each of the steps in the learning plan below. Today you will read the provided notes, Purple 2, or watch the provided instructional video, Converge, to review today's learning target. Complete the learning target practice, Purple 3 through 4. Using the notes from today's learning target, solve each of the problems. To show your understanding of today's learning target, you must show all of your work. Complete the exit slip, Purple 5, to demonstrate your understanding of today's learning target. NTI Day 1, Purple, Learning Target Notes, 5th grade Mathematics, Mr. Elliott. Let me show you. Find the product of 126 and 23. Number 1, set up the standard algorithm. Number 2, multiply the ones, 126 times 3. 3, add a placeholder 0. 4, multiply the tens, 126 times 20. 5, add the two products. For a 3-digit multiplier, 6, add two placeholder zeros. 7, multiply the hundreds. 8, add the three products. A couple of talking points. An important skill set for multiplying multi-digit whole numbers is knowing your basic facts. Being able to efficiently and, more importantly, accurately recall your basic multiplication facts is essential for this mathematical skill. With the amount of numbers involved in solving these types of problems, organization is crucial. To help organize your work, use the grid paper to keep your numbers in line and to prevent a mistake. Let's practice. Using the standard algorithm, solve each of the 4 problems below, numbers 2 through 5. When you finish each problem, check your work with the example in number 1 and the learning target notes from the previous page. Be mindful, while the end result is of the utmost importance, the answer stems from small steps leading up to the answer. For that reason, thoroughly check your work, both the multiplication and addition. Number 1, find the product of 983 and 62. Let the grid paper line up your work. Don't forget the placeholder. Perfect work doesn't forget the signs. Number 2, find the product of 512 and 28. Number 3, find the product of 1,235 and 43. 4, find the product of 2,341 and 355. Number 5, the Louisville Zoo is hosting a month-long focus on getting schools to visit the zoo. Each week the zoo will host 52 elementary schools. If each school has 415 students, how many students will visit the zoo in a week during this month? Notice the framework of this real-world scenario. The prompt is asking you to essentially add an equal number over and over again, which should make sense considering multiplication is repeated addition. Therefore, in a multiplication word problem, look for the prompt to ask you to repeat an equal amount over and over again. Let's see what you know. To show your understanding of this lesson's learning target, complete the questions below. This assessment is worth 2 points. 1 point for a correct answer and 1 point for correct work. 1. In college basketball's greatest place to watch basketball, Rupp Arena, each section has 724 seats. If the lower arena has 18 sections, how many seats are in the lower arena of Rupp Arena? A. 12,032 seats. B. 6,596 seats. C, 15,112 seats. D, 13,032 seats.